Always remember to avoid the sunlight.
How's it going, everybody? This is your boy TommyHellament, and I'm finally coming back for another food review. Now that I've finally got settled into Bowling Green here, we are checking out this place right up here, Asip Pizza. Now, I've picked this place because it has a very backrooms feel to it. I mean, the place is literally just pizza, but spelled backwards. This place already feels like liminal backroomsy as it is, which is why I decided this would be the perfect first place to start my tour of Bowling Green. Let's go in and order. And speaking of the backrooms, this shit gives me the heebie-jeebies. How's it going, everybody? Your boy TommyHellament is finally back yet again. Sorry for the hiatus. Just been taking care of a lot of stuff as of lately, but with the warmer weather coming up, more videos are coming here in Bowling Green. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, today we are at the Greenwood Mall in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Let's go in and see what it's like. Okay, so we came in through the JCPenney store. This is what we're faced with right now. Let's go take a look, see what all we got. I can't believe they still exist. Kind of looks disappointing. Let's get a closer look. Heck yeah, Spencer's is still around. Let's go inside and take a look. Heck, I'd totally wear that. Ah, dang, maybe not that. All these cool mugs and stuff. Oh, I like the mushroom one up there. That's kind of cool. The Pikachu one's kind of cute. The Ninja Turtles one, SpongeBob, Scooby-Doo, Sonic the Hedgehog, more Pikachu. There's a Coraline one. Oh shoot, the Coraline one. Let me see this. That's cool as shit. Where's the... I guess that's not a bad price for that. This is one of my favorite parts of Spencer's, is where they keep all like the strobe lights and lava lamps and all the really cool light up shit that I wish I could afford. But look at this, all the hats. Journeys. That's always the best place to go for shoes. So I get ads for this place like all the time on Facebook, and since I'm in the neighborhood, I'm gonna drop in and see what this is all about. Damn, look at this. To hell with going to Vegas. We got cool shit right here in Bowling Green. I probably won't be doing any of this because, well, fuck it. I'm not into gambling. Bought this really cool choker from the Spencer's. It's gonna go really cool with the clown themed outfit that I put together since I've been here. Hell yeah. Okay.